Hello, my name's Ian Jaco and welcome back to this video series on how to set up a Gibson Epiphone guitar. In the last video we actually did the neck relief, we checked the neck and then did the adjustments. If you want to see that video, the links are down below. In this video we're checking the string height and the intonation, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the string height, and the way that we do this is one of these little things, and on the back of this we have what the string height should be at the 12th fret for a range of guitars. In this case we're looking at electric guitar, so if we want a nice low action on the 6th string we want it to be 1.5 to 2 millimeters on the 6th string and 1 to 1.5 millimeter on the 1st string. So let's have a look at that then. So let's move this, oops. So, right, there is our 12th fret. So we are looking for, the height is in millimeters, and this guitar on the 6th fret is about 2.25 millimeters. We'll just have a look at it, what it's like on the 1st string, and again it's about the same there. So 2.25 millimeters is considered to be a high action, so we need to lower the string height on this guitar. Right, and the way that we do that is that down here we have a bridge which allows us to adjust with a screwdriver, so we will take the action down on both sides and see how we get on. So we'll do that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it just one full turn. I'm going to give it 2 full turns, and then we'll retune 2 full turns and do the same on the other side. 1, so about a full turn, that's a bit more, so 2. Now we need to check that everything looks okay further up the guitar. It does. So we'll retune and then check our settings again. We've retuned the guitar and now we're going to check the string height at the 12th fret. So how's it looking now? So the actions come down to about 2 millimeters on that one, and that high string is still about, can't quite see, there we go. I think that's still too high. We're above 2.25, so that needs to come down a bit more. This one is getting there. We'll give the high side a good turn, take that down. This side we'll give a half turn. So a half turn. We'll retune and see how we get on. Retuned yet again. Check now, and we're at about 1.75 on the 6th string, and on the 1st string we're at about more than 1 millimeter. It's about 1.25. Let's just double check that. So 1 to 1.5, yeah, that's spot on really. One of the things that we do need to do is we need to check that the guitar isn't bottoming out up here in the neck. It's not catching on any of the frets. It doesn't look like it is, but we'll have to we'll run a check. And the way that we do that is by playing strings and making sure we haven't got any excessive string buzz. Now we're going to get more string buzz on the lower strings than the higher strings. That seems okay. And we'll do some final checks anyway. If we do find there's excessive string buzz when we're playing it, we'll just raise the bridge slightly. Probably 1/8 of a turn, something like that. It's not very much, just enough to get it. But that seems fine so far. That concludes this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video we'll work on the intonation. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button, and thumbs up's always appreciated. And if you want to be notified when my next video goes live, ding that little bell. See you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.